Hi everyone! Today let's dive into Pollo, your all-in-one AI tool. Haha! Trust me, this is very different.
Hey, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm your favorite host, James. Today, let's dive in Pollo AI, your one-stop AI image and video creation platform. Recently, I started to use Pollo and I found this quite cool. I want to introduce my experience to you. Every day, we have many AIs comes around and many models disappears. We need a single platform that unified everything in one place. I think Pollo is that one place. Basically, if you're familiar with my YouTube channel, you will realize that AI has two big missions. One is video generation, another is AI image generation. In AI video generation, we have many compactors here. For example, like the Kling, Veil 3, Sora, right? I use Sora recently quite a lot, and Runway, Seedance, Hilo, Pika, Pixverse, Veidu, Luma, One, Hunyuan. And on the other hand, we also need to learn how to generate images, right? They have a different model in different websites. For example, like the Midjourney, Flux, ChatGPT, Nano Banana from Google, Imagine, DALL-E, One, Recraft, and many. For example, like the Stable Diffusion, Comfy UI, and blah blah blah. We are so exhausted. I don't know about you, but I'm definitely exhausted. I need one place that controls all the models, and I can play around easily. And I think Pollo is that one place for me. You can generate image and videos all in one platform by prompts or reference images. For example, you can give an image to AI and AI can give you a video based on it. That's what we want. Super easy, right? And sometimes we want to use AI in our work, for example, like the representing our product. For that, we need AI avatar generator. So Pollo also has this AI avatar. Transform your photo into a fully animated AI avatar video up to 2 minutes long. Of course, I ran YouTube and I also enjoy the TikTok. And I need more content, right? People need content to see. And you can generate AI short video in Pollo. And not mention, if we have the video and based on it, we can create thousands of the different styles. Even make your own movie. And if you want to make a cool video, cool series of the video, you need consistent character, right? So Pollo also supports consistent character video. That's so dope. And also you can use video to generate different videos. For example, like the change the style from realistic to cartoon to 3D style, and anything you name it, right? That is so cool. And let's try it out. Let's click this login button. And we can use our Google account. That's so convenient. And here we go. This is our dashboard of the Pollo. And here we can find many entry points. On our left, we have Explore, where you can check all the works that's done by the community. Wow, that thing is so huge. Pretty arty, I say. And many more you can find. And once you found it, you can also check the parameter and also check the prompt they are using, and you can create by yourself. You can simply click this create similar video and voila, you can create the same style video. And here we have a project page where you can create your own project filter. And here we can create our AI video. We can create by many ways. For example, we can create by text or image. Here, let's try text first. Wow, this is why I like it. And when you click here, you can find many AI models. For example, like the Pollo 1.6. This is originally from Pollo. And then you can have the Sora 2, Veil 1, Hilo, Veil 3, Seedance, Kling 1, Hilo again, and the Pixelverse Kling. So every models have their advantage and disadvantages, right? So you can use it based on your preference, and you don't need to purchase everywhere, right? You can just you can use them all in Pollo. So let's try to Pollo 1.6 first, and let's type our prompt. So my prompt is a cool cyberpunk girl in the black and riding a motorbike. And you can click here, generate with AI. And beneath, we also have some ideas. I think Polo knows us. We don't know what to generate, right? And here we have the two different models. One is a Pro, one is a basic. Let's try Pro first. And for the video length, we can choose from 5 seconds to 10 seconds. Aspect ratio, if you're familiar with aspect ratio, so if you want to upload to TikTok, you use this one. If you want to upload to a long video platform like the YouTube, you use this one. I choose this one. And output video number, I choose 1. And we can even click the advanced. So in advanced, we can change the resolution. Let's try to the highest resolution. And for the seed, let's leave it empty because it's our first generation. And if we click here, public visibility, which means you allows everyone to check your work. And you click the copy protection and people won't know your prompt. All right, let's click the create. Oh, let's click the play. That is so realistic, right? And maybe let's try something different. Let's give another prompt. For example, let's add 90s Japanese animation style. And let's generate it again. All right, we have this 2D animation style video generated. That's so dope, right? And you can directly change it by click the model. Let's try this one. I want to compare, so let's try with the same prompt, but I use Will 3.1 fast. And the same. Let's click the generate. So now you can easily compare all the AI models and their videos, right? So which one is your favorite? I think my heart goes with the second one. Not only you can generate image or video easily on Polo, but also you can create your own avatar. So click here, you can create avatar or use the existing one. For example, you can preview or create your own here. For me, let me try to find which one is perfect for me. Maybe this one, yeah. Click this guy and you can upload your product. For example, if you are selling a computer, you can upload the image of the computer. But currently, I don't have any product to sell. But in the script, we can customize it. So let me type. Okay, here we go. This is our prompt. And you can even customize the narrator by click here. And you can click preview.
The forest has always spoken to me.
Hello. I'm delighted to see.
I'm going with this one, thoughtful man. Let's click the conform. And here we have two different models, standard and longer model. So let's try the second one. And beneath we have a prompt. You can type what you want the character to perform. And you can change the aspect ratio, of course. And let's click the create.
Hi, everyone. Today, let's dive into Pollo, your all-in-one AI tool. Haha. Trust me, this is very different.
That's so dope, right? We don't need to on camera anymore. With AI avatar, everything is so easy. All right, this is not even all. You can try Mimic. You can try video editor tool and upload your video and tell AI how you want to change the video and wait for a second, you get your result. Also, you can try to use a consistency character and also video to video animation generator. This is specially designed for animation. That's so dope. You can use this effect tool to add more effect, for example, like the facing the sun. Oh, and click the AI tools, you can find more. You can remove the video background, anything you name it, right here in Polo. Okay, so much for today. I hope you like this video. If you have any comments, please write in the comment zone. I will reply you. Okay, so much for today. Hope you like it, and I will see you on the next one. Bye bye. Congratulations on watching to the end. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel. You won't miss out on more great contents. I will see you on the next episode. Bye bye.